What up, guys? We're going camping right now. We're going up American Fork Canyon. I'm going with some guys that I've never really met, so we'll find out if they're cool or not. I know like 3 or 4 of them, but the other guys, I don't know. I haven't met them yet. One's my cousin's mechanic, so that's kind of cool. But we got everything packed up. We're ready to go. We got the grill. We're gonna cook some steak tonight, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be legendary. Yo, we just got everyone. Holy freak, we have 9 cars with us. We're going up the trail right now. We got, let's see, we got I think 4 or 5 4Runners, Chevy something Colorado, Chevy Colorado, and then a Jeep, and then 2 Tacomas. I don't think that mathed up.
The green plastic watering can for a fake Chinese rubber plant and a fake plastic gun. That you bought from a rubber man. On a town full of rubber plants. What? To get ready.
What up, guys? We just woke up. This looked pretty good. I met those guys today or yesterday. It's pretty fancy. So we got my rig right here. Their rig. We tried to get it up a Force Lake. Did not work. Tacoma. 3rd gen. And then a 4th gen right there.
She lives with a broken mind, a cracked polystyrene man who just crumbles and burns. Used to do surgery for girls in the air.
We are cooking up some sausage. Sausage.
It wears me out. It wears me out. It wears me out.
That's very hot. Very hot.
If I could be who you wanted all the
Good morning, Jevin. How'd you sleep? Yeah. What did Lumen do? We're about halfway up Mary Ellen's right now. Yes, we're actually going way faster than last night. I didn't video any of last night because we did Forest Lake, went 0.2 miles and that's all we went, just 0.2 miles, and it took us 2.5 hours because we tried to get a stock 4Runner up some gnarly stuff, which was my bad. I'm sorry I forgot his name, but I'm sorry. Yes, look how pretty it is up here. Wow, it's so pretty. We just went up this, guys. Pretty fancy.
And we can stay like that. Turn.
Come towards us.
Go back. Turn that way more. It's because I'm trying to put more pressure on that side.
I could probably bump up this. Bumper. Wait, don't go any further back.
Right there's
right
good.
there, perfect.
What do you think? Get some beans or what?
Yeah.
Give us some beans.
Yeah. All right. Go slowly. Go forward.
Dude.
I smell beans.
Yeah, you did.
Go. Yeah. There you go.
Creatures of my dreams.